come with me over here. You don't have to stay in your order at this point, so come on over here.
Stay there for a minute.
You can mingle.
Please, the last order.
So they're just going to stand there?
They're supposed to walk a little this way. They're reading for pictures.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Gather around her, she's going to tell you what
Yeah.
the first comes. Gather around Catherine.
All right, guys. Yeah, okay. This is the first one. The pillar of friendship. Square dancing is a common bond between us as friends. Wherever you shall visit, or whomsoever shall visit you, never let it be said that you were not friendly. Square dancing is friendship set to music. Greet others and be courteous to others as you would have them be to you. In square dancing, you can develop lifetime friendships.
Thank you, Catherine.